Welcome to the paradise of health and wellness. In this video, we'll explore the top supplements for anxiety and stress relief. We all know how life can get the deadlines, the pressures, the constant hustle. It takes a toll, leaving you feeling anxious, overwhelmed, and just plain drained. But what if I told you that you could fight back naturally? We're not talking about masking the symptoms here, but actually addressing the root causes of stress and anxiety. We're going to explore powerful, science-backed supplements that can help you regain control and find that inner peace you've been craving. We'll break down how each supplement works its magic within your body, the science behind their effectiveness, and the best times to take them to maximize their benefits. So, if you're ready to unlock a calmer, more resilient you, buckle up and let's get started. First up, we have magnesium, a mighty mineral that plays a crucial role in over 300 bodily functions. But when it comes to stress and anxiety, magnesium is like a soothing balm for your nervous system. You see, stress throws your body into overdrive, activating what we call the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal (HPA) axis. This sets off a cascade of hormonal reactions, releasing cortisol, the infamous stress hormone. Now, magnesium steps in like a boss, regulating the HPA axis and preventing it from going into overdrive. It's like putting a gentle hand on the shoulder of that overzealous stress response, telling it to calm down. But that's not all. Magnesium also works its magic on something called NMDA receptors in your brain. These receptors, when overactivated, can lead to feelings of anxiety and overwhelm. Magnesium swoops in again, blocking this overactivation and promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. Think of it as turning down the volume on those anxious thoughts, allowing you to think clearly and feel more at ease. Now, not all magnesium is created equal. When it comes to stress and anxiety, two forms reign supreme: magnesium glycinate and magnesium L-threonate. These bad boys are absorbed more efficiently into the nervous system, delivering that calming magnesium goodness right where it's needed most. And the best time to take it? Evenings are ideal. Magnesium not only eases anxiety but also enhances sleep quality, preparing you for a restful night and a brighter tomorrow. So, if you're looking for a natural way to unwind after a long day, magnesium is your go-to. It's like giving your nervous system a warm hug, melting away stress and promoting deep relaxation. Remember, a calm mind starts with a nourished body, and magnesium is a key ingredient in that recipe for tranquility. Next up, we have ashwagandha, an ancient herb that's been used for centuries in traditional Indian medicine, Ayurveda. Now, ashwagandha is what we call an adaptogen. This means it helps your body adapt to stress, building resilience and keeping you cool, calm, and collected, even when life throws curveballs your way. But how does it work? Well, ashwagandha targets that pesky HPA axis again, but this time it goes a step further. Not only does it regulate the stress response, but it also lowers the production of cortisol, the stress hormone that can wreak havoc on your mind and body. Imagine ashwagandha as a shield, deflecting the negative impacts of stress and keeping you grounded, even amidst chaos. But ashwagandha's talents don't stop there. It also works on those crucial neurotransmitters in your brain, like serotonin and dopamine, which play a vital role in mood regulation, motivation, and feelings of well-being. By balancing these neurotransmitters, ashwagandha promotes a sense of calm, improves focus, and even elevates your mood. It's like giving your brain a spa day, leaving you feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to take on the world. Now, the best time to harness the power of ashwagandha is in the morning or early afternoon. This allows it to work its magic throughout the day, providing sustained stress resistance and keeping you on top of your game. So, if you're looking for an all-natural way to build resilience, lower cortisol levels, and enhance your overall well-being, ashwagandha is your secret weapon. It's like having a personal stress-busting sidekick, helping you navigate the ups and downs of life with grace and ease. Now let's talk about L-theanine, an amino acid found in green tea that's like a gentle whisper of calm for your mind. Unlike other calming compounds that might leave you feeling drowsy, L-theanine promotes relaxation without the sedation. It's like finding your Zen zone without hitting the snooze button. But how does it achieve this magic? L-theanine works its wonders by increasing alpha brain waves. which are associated with a state of relaxed alertness. Think of it as shifting your brain into a state of calm focus, where you're present, attentive, and able to handle whatever comes your way without feeling overwhelmed. But L-theanine doesn't stop there. It also boosts the production of GABA, serotonin, and dopamine, those mood-regulating neurotransmitters we talked about earlier. By enhancing these neurochemicals, L-theanine helps reduce anxiety, improve mood, and sharpen cognitive function. It's like giving your brain a performance boost while simultaneously calming those racing thoughts. And the best part? L-theanine works quickly. You'll start feeling its calming effects within 30 minutes of taking it. This makes it the perfect go-to for those moments when you need immediate stress relief, like before a big presentation or an important meeting. So whether you're looking to enhance focus, ease anxiety, or simply find a moment of peace in your day, L-theanine is a powerful ally. It's like a mental reset button, helping you approach challenges with a clear mind and a sense of calm confidence. Next up, we're diving into the world of healthy fats with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These essential fats are like superheroes for your brain, fighting off inflammation, improving neurotransmitter function, and promoting overall mental well-being. Now, when it comes to stress and anxiety, omega-3s are like the cool-headed negotiators, calming the inflammatory firestorms that stress can ignite in the brain. You see, chronic stress can lead to chronic inflammation, which disrupts brain function and exacerbates anxiety symptoms. Omega-3s step in, reducing inflammation and protecting your brain from the damaging effects of stress. It's like giving your brain a protective shield, helping it stay resilient in the face of challenges. But omega-3s don't stop there. They also work their magic on those all-important neurotransmitters, serotonin and dopamine. By supporting healthy levels of these mood-boosting chemicals, omega-3s help regulate mood, improve focus, and reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. It's like giving your brain the nutritional support it needs to function at its best, even when you're feeling the pressure. Now, for optimal absorption and brain-boosting benefits, it's best to take omega-3s with meals, preferably in the morning. This allows them to be absorbed more efficiently and provides sustained support for your brain throughout the day. So if you're looking to fortify your brain against stress, improve mood, and enhance cognitive function, make sure you're getting enough omega-3s in your diet. It's like giving your brain a daily dose of resilience, helping you navigate life's challenges with a clear mind and a positive outlook. Last but not least, we have GABA, or gamma-aminobutyric acid, a neurotransmitter that acts as your brain's natural tranquilizer. Think of GABA as the brake pedal in your nervous system, promoting relaxation, reducing anxiety, and calming those racing thoughts. Now in our brains, GABA acts as an inhibitory neurotransmitter, meaning it slows down the firing of nerve cells, preventing overexcitation and promoting a sense of calm. When GABA levels are low, our brains can become overactive, leading to feelings of anxiety, restlessness, and difficulty sleeping. Supplementing with GABA can help restore balance, increasing GABA levels in the brain and promoting a sense of tranquility. It's like turning down the volume on those anxious thoughts, allowing you to relax and unwind. But GABA's benefits don't stop there. It also plays a crucial role in sleep regulation. By calming the nervous system and reducing anxiety, GABA prepares your body and mind for a restful night's sleep. And the best time to harness the power of GABA is in the evening. Taking it before bed allows it to work its magic while you sleep, promoting relaxation and enhancing sleep quality. So if you're looking for a natural way to ease anxiety, quiet those racing thoughts, and improve sleep quality, GABA is a powerful ally. It's like giving your brain a soothing lullaby, helping you drift off to sleep with ease and wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. So there you have it, your comprehensive guide to the top supplements for anxiety and stress relief. Remember, managing stress and anxiety starts from within, and these science-backed supplements can be powerful allies in your journey to greater emotional well-being. From magnesium's calming embrace to ashwagandha's adaptogenic power, L-theanine's zen-like focus, omega-3s brain-boosting benefits, and GABA's natural tranquilizing effects, Each of these supplements offers a unique approach to restoring balance and finding calm amidst the chaos. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. And as always, stay tuned for more science-backed health and wellness insights right here on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and keep unlocking your healthiest self.